Okay, first we're going to begin by typing in the line command and press enter, and then type in 0, the tab key, then 0, then the enter key. And we're going to move our cursor out to the right and type in 6 for 6 units and press enter. Move our cursor up, type in 6 and press enter. And to the left, type in 6 and press enter. And down, type in 6 and press enter. And when we're finished with that, we press the escape key to clear out the line command. Okay, next we're going to type in the offset command. Just type in OFFSET and then press the enter key. And our offset is going to be 0.2 and press enter. We're going to make our vertical offsets and our horizontal offsets. These offsets all are made in the direction of going toward the center of this object. After we're finished, we press the escape key to cancel the offset command. Okay, next we're going to type in the trim command. So TRIM and then press the enter key. We're going to highlight this object so we come up in this area so we can make sure to get all of the object, and we left click and release the click button, and then we're just going to drag our mouse over until we highlight the entire object, and we're going to left click again, and we do need to press the enter key at this point. And the trim command is now activated, and it might be good to expand this drawing a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. We're going to trim out maybe even a little bit bigger. Just take your time and make sure you're trimming the correct lines as shown here in this video. And okay, and great. And now we're going to just press the escape key, and this will cancel out the trim command. We'll be ready for our next step. Okay, now we're going to type in the offset command again. So type in OFFSET, press the enter key, and then the offset is going to be 0.4 and press enter. This offset is going to be made from the interior lines. So let's make our vertical offsets first from each side, and then our horizontal offsets. Okay, and after we're done, we're going to hit just press the escape key to clear off the offset command, and we're ready for our next step. Next, we're going to enter the trim command. So TRIM and press the enter key. Then we're going to highlight this entire object again. Remember to use the left click and then release that button. A lot of people keep it held, but you should release that button, and then you just drag your mouse until you highlight the entire drawing, and then left click again and release it, and then press the enter key. And at this point the trim command has been activated. So we're going to go ahead and trim as you see here on this video. Okay, if you need to expand your drawing in order to do that, feel free to do so. And after you've finished with this step, go ahead and press the enter key, the escape key, and that will clear off the trim command. We'll be ready for our next step. Okay, next we're going to type in the offset command again and press enter. This offset is going to be 1.4, and then press the enter key. And we're going to make our vertical offsets first, and then our horizontal offsets. Okay, and on this particular step we're going to combine another set of offset lines as well. So press the escape key, and let's re-enter the offset command and press enter. And we're going to type in 0.2, press enter, and we will make our vertical offsets first, and then our horizontal offsets. You can see our design beginning to come together at this point. Press the escape key to clear off the offset command, and we're ready for our next step. Okay, for our next step we're back to the trim command, And then we're going to highlight the drawing again. Remember how we discussed how to do that. And press enter. And now we're going to trim out the lines we don't need. And you just take your time and stop this video if you need to. Along the way, that's fine. And at this point, after we trim the lines we have so far, we're going to get this a little bit bigger, and we're going to trim out the lines in the within this drawing, like this. Okay, well, I made a mistake, so I'll have to go back. This may happen to you, so if it does, just start over by typing trim, highlight the drawing, press enter, and trim out the lines we don't need. When I made that mistake, I went up to the top and pressed the, it's like this key. Allows you to undo, but it took me back a little bit too far. That's why I had to retrim the lines that you just saw me retrim. So this time I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so I don't make that mistake again. Okay, and I'm going to shrink this back and I'm going to center it and then press escape. And this is our design. So we've made our checkerboard design, excuse me, our tic-tac-toe design. And you know, no requirement to hatch this in this drawing, but of course you can if you like. If you want to take an extra step and put some color into this design, you're more than welcome to do so. Just go ahead and save your drawing according to our customary procedure. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And this is Mr. Triplett. I'm signing off.